Hello guys, today we're gonna get cough drop marker, which is extreme but easy. Now follow me. The code is this. Now just follow my steps.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.